Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Yasmin and together with Dragan we've been developing games for a very long time now. So we decided we should share our knowledge with you guys by making these courses for you. And in this course we want to teach you how you can create particle effects that look like particles from AAA games. So we'll be teaching you how to create effects from GTA, The Witcher, Legend of Zelda, Overwatch, you name it. And this course will also be updated frequently, so whenever you request a particle tutorial, we will update it as soon as we can to teach you everything you want and need to know to make your games better looking. So this course will be updated frequently, and each section will focus on a, let's say, particle effect kind of. So this section focuses on the Legend of Zelda particles, and in half an hour we recreate particles from the Wind Waker. And I will show you now. If I click play here, you will see that an object will fall down and we have this nice looking ground pound particle, and if I hit space we also get this nice looking explosion particle. In under half an hour you will learn how to do this. You can of course make this much better with this knowledge. It's just that I'm a programmer, I'm not a professional designer. If you put more time and effort into it, you can create stunning particles. You can see that even this particle is looking pretty good. And I'm not a good designer per se. You see that we have these prefabs here. So basically we'll create 4 particles and then we'll make sure they work together so they create a nice looking effect. Thank you once again for enrolling on this course, and if you have any particle requests, be sure to send us a message and we will definitely update this course to add new particles and more content for you people. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.